Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions and video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please be a witness for that because I made over 200 videos on Shopify customization, and they were mostly requested by you guys, subscribers. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So don't hesitate, man. If you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to provide you the information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe, or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now it's very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now I'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make your Shopify store very professional without having to pay for those expensive teams or hire on those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications just so you can have a widget or a section on Shopify store. It doesn't really make sense, and it's not a very good idea for a long-term project. Or I give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, then I'll let you decide, and I respect your decision. But for now, let me show you how to redirect the View All button to any specific page URL that you want on your Shopify store, and without using any applications again, and actually without even using any codes. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, by the way, this is Shopify down theme, so I always start with completely new theme, nothing on it, and each video I add small customizations. By the video 70 or 80, the theme will be completely different. But now I think I'll reach that level halfway or even before. Check out this section, for example. This is all-in-one reviews carousel that will show reviews from multiple sources: Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Etsy, all in one place. And it's filterable. If I click on Google, it will only show me reviews from Google, and so on for Amazon and Etsy. Or even better, check out this recent sales notification that will show sales on your Shopify store by using your own custom code, and it's highly customizable. You can even customize when it should show up and for who to show up and how long it stays open and the interval between each notification, and yeah, without using a single application. But let me quit talking, man. Let me show you how to, check out this one. This is actually a pop-up, abandoned cart reminder pop-up that will actually remind the user once he's trying to, because this one actually tracks the mouse cursor. Once you're trying to leave to close the page, then it will show up and it will remind them of how many products he has in the cart, and of course a button to check out. And this is again by using your own code, no applications involved. I will quit now, I promise. So let me close this and let me scroll down to check out what I'm talking about. This one right here, the View All button. So by default, if I click on this one, it will redirect me to the All collection. But if I want to redirect this page, this button, to any page I want, I cannot do that from the theme customizer. I have to play around with the code, and that's not very friendly for people that's not familiar with coding and so on. But no worries, in this video, I will show you how to do that by changing a single thing in the code. You will not add any code, you will not edit any code, I promise you. You can do this even if you're like 5 years old. So without any more talking again for the second time, let's just jump to it and get back to, as you can see, I was trying to go to the dashboard and it shows up again. Okay, go away now, you made your point. Let's just access Shopify dashboard. If you are already in Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, then click on Themes, then click on the 3 dots on left of Customize and click on Edit Code. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. And in here, we need to find the specific file on the left panel. Instead of looking at the files or folders, you might get dizzy. Use the search bar at the top left corner, then type in Future Dash. You will see Future Dash Collection. As you can see, this file right here, make sure it ends with .liquid. Click on it, and a bunch of code will show up in here. No worries, we need to find a specific section again inside this file. And to do that, just like you are 5 years old, click on the code just like you want to write something. Then on your keyboard, if you are using Windows, click on Control F. I'm on Mac, I'm going to click on Command F, and it will show me this prompt right here at the bottom of the page. And this prompt will help us find that section. And simply scroll down the description box and you will see a code, copy it like this one. You see, let me zoom in on it, this one. If you can write it, you can see it, write it. If you are lazy, like you're 5 years old, scroll down the description and copy it from there and simply paste it in here. Then hit enter on your keyboard, just like this, and it will highlight it on the code for you, just like you saw right now. So let me close this widget right here because it already did finish. And this is the section we need to find, as you can see. So in here, make sure to select the whole thing between the quotes. You see the red quotes from the beginning here and the red quotes from at the end. Make sure to select the whole thing between the red quotes. Just delete it like this. And also make sure to take up a backup for the whole code for this page, just in case you want to revert back to the previous version. Because as I said, this is only available from the code. So make sure to remove the whole thing and keep only the red quotes as you saw. And the next thing we're going to do is we need the link for the page where you want the user to be redirected to after he clicks on the view all. And for my case, I'm going to use contact us, for example, for demonstration. So after you did find the page that you want the user to be redirected to, simply copy the handle for it. Do not copy the whole URL, just the handle for it that starts the thing after .com. The whole thing after .com, make sure to copy it and simply paste it between the red quotes. Let me paste it in here, as you can see, and make sure it starts with / and the rest of the URL, the full URL, the full path, sorry, not the full URL, not the shopifystore.com. After that, simply click on the save button. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. Now we save it. We will get back in here and do the trick. So let me scroll down to the view all button, this one right here. So now if I click on it, boom, to the contact us page. And that's how you redirect the view all button on your Shopify store to any URL on your Shopify store that you want. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.